I love the combination of creativity and technology that digital marketing brings to the table, but it doesn't replace the traditional marketing techniques we've used in the past. Billboard advertising is one traditional form of advertising that collision repair shops can use to reach a local audience in a specific location. Like any form of marketing, it pays to know the strengths and weaknesses and understand what you're getting before investing in billboard advertising. Billboards fall under the category of out-of-home advertising. This includes ads on buses, taxis, benches, in airports, on the sides of buildings, and even in your car's navigation system. These ads can be printed signs and posters, or they can be digital. For body shops, there are some special considerations before deciding to create a billboard ad. Your billboard ad will ideally be placed in a high traffic area, making it easy for potential customers to spot them. So visibility is the most important benefit to putting up your billboard. Compared to other forms of advertising, such as television or radio commercials, billboard advertising can be relatively inexpensive and cost-effective. Unlike highly targeted online advertising, billboards have a limited ability to reach specific audiences. So you have limited control over your audience. This is more of a mass market approach where everyone who drives by sees your ad. Billboards have a limited amount of space for messaging, which can make it difficult to convey important information about your collision repair shop. Simple is better if you want anyone to remember your ad. So pricing for billboard advertising is typically determined by the size of the billboard, the location of the billboard, and the length of time the billboard will be displayed. Larger billboards in high traffic locations will typically cost more than smaller ones in less trafficked areas. A billboard up on a highway in a rural area with little traffic might run a few $100s a month, and in many cases the ad stays up for several months after the contract expires, simply because nobody else is wanting to run an ad in that spot. On the other hand, a board in a major metro area with tons of traffic might run over $10,000 a month, especially when other companies are outbidding each other and waiting for that space to become available. Now, when it comes to designing your billboard, keep the following things in mind. Keep it simple. Don't think in terms of having this giant 14 by 48 canvas to work with. Remember, this will be seen by people at a distance and while they're moving. So it's important to keep the design simple and easy to read. Use bold visuals. High quality images will help grab the attention of potential customers and make your shop easier to remember. And important information only. Consider the message first. All you need are 6 or 7 words. Include your shop's logo and or name, and possibly your phone number. When you're driving past a billboard, you don't have a chance to actually read anything, so aside from a simple headline. So including every bit of your contact info isn't necessary, nor is a list of every certification you have or any other extra information. Color, contrast, imagery, and layout are all important. Every ad, including billboards, should have a point. What do you want people to do when they see it? Collision repair isn't just a service you can talk people into using in the moment. It's only needed after an accident or collision has happened. That means your billboard is more of an awareness ad for keeping your shop top of mind. So when somebody does need repairs, you want to be a company that they remember seeing or hearing about. That's why you don't even really need your phone number on the billboard. Now, your messaging should match your other marketing, whether it's your website, your radio ads, newspaper ads, Facebook, or anything else your shop runs. If you use humor there, try it on the billboard. If you like a more serious professional approach, use that. Now, choosing a good location for your billboard is crucial to the success of the advertising campaign. So consider the following when selecting a location. Traffic level. High traffic areas provide the most exposure for the billboard. Competitors. Be aware of the location of competitor shops and their billboards, if any, and use that to your advantage. Geography and weather. Use your knowledge of local roadways to identify areas where accidents occur. If there's an area nearby that's known for having lots of deer strikes, for example, that would be an excellent place to place a billboard. It could show deer in the road along with your logo and a headline of like, if a deer hits you, call us. Similarly, if you've had A bad intersection in your area where lots of accidents occur, that could be a good spot too. Other spots might include winding roads, bridges that get iced over, country roads with lots of farm equipment. Work with your billboard rep to identify what's available and compare prices among the locations that seem promising. Lastly, if your budget allows, having a few billboards works better than only one, as your chances of being seen dramatically improve. Billboard advertising can be a cost-effective way for your shop to reach a wide audience in a specific location. Be sure to consider the pros and cons, the pricing, design, and location before investing in billboard advertising, as well as evaluating how it fits into your overall marketing plan. With a good plan in place, your collision repair shop can create an effective billboard advertising campaign that will help customers think of you when a collision occurs. Hey, I'm Jason Ferguson, and I want to help you market your auto body or collision repair business. If you like what you see here, please subscribe to be notified when new videos are released. You can find out more about digital marketing services from Conspicuous Digital. Thanks for watching. Now get out and fix some cars.